Cessna 182 Skylane, flown by Colonel Bruce Franklin from the Mid-Atlantic region, which includes Civil Air Patrol's Delaware Wing. Here in Delaware, you may occasionally see the aircraft overhead with CAB markings flying support for the DelDOT traffic monitoring throughout the state. However, first and foremost, the Civil Air Patrol is an official United States Army auxiliary. For 77 years, CAB has provided support to emergency services, aerospace education, and cadet programs. In 2015, under the Secretary of the Air Force, Deborah Lee James, the Air Force announced that the auxiliary will be added to the regular Guard and Reserve in descriptions of total force and airmen. The Air Combat Command, ACC, through the 1st Air Force, is the parent command of the Civil Air Patrol. The auxiliary has also trained and inspired hundreds of thousands of cadets and K-12 students to pursue science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education and training. Great to have the Civil Air Patrol with us this weekend here at Thunder over Dover. And they're also up there getting a head count, trying to figure out how many people are out here today. We've got a great crowd, and we appreciate all of you out here today supporting the great Thunder over Dover Airshow and our great men and women who do so much for us. And this is their way of saying thank you to you by opening doors and allowing you on the airfield. You get a chance to take a look at some of the great hardware that defends us 24/7.